Obesity is defined as excessive accumulation of fat deposition in the body in relation to lean body mass, and it is calculated in terms of BMI, that is the ratio of weight and height. In India, about 25% of the adult patients are overweight and about 7% are grade 2 obesity. So if you take the absolute number, it is very high as compared to US and China. So obesity is very prevalent in India, and because of obesity, patients develop a lot of comorbidities. So we have to treat obesity as early as possible. Obesity is associated with a lot of comorbidities, that is, a lot of diseases which are associated are called comorbidities. The most commonest comorbidity is type 2 diabetes mellitus. About 40% of obese patients suffer from type 2 diabetes mellitus. The other comorbidities are hypertension, hyperlipidemia, coronary vascular disease, then hyperlipidemia, cerebral ischemic disease. Any patient who is above 32.5 BMI is the indication of surgery. So there are different types of surgery. There are restrictive as well as metabolic surgeries. So the restrictive surgeries are sleeve gastrectomy, Roux-en-Y gastric bypass, and malabsorptive procedures are mini gastric bypass and sleeve with DJB, sleeve with duodenojejunal bypass. So we decide upon depending upon the patient age, the BMI of the patient is having comorbidities, whether the patient is vegetarian, non-vegetarian, whether the patient is ready for nutritional supplement lifelong, whether the patient wants reversible or irreversible procedure, whether the patient is vegetarian, non-vegetarian, whether the patient is volumeter, non-volumeter. So depending on all this criteria, we decide which surgery to be done. After bariatric surgery, patient within 1.5 years, they lose about 70 to 80% of their excess weight. So there is a gradual weight loss. So patient doesn't have any problem with weight loss. In fact, all their comorbidities, there is a resolution of comorbidity at the end of 1.5 to 2 years. That is, the patient who are taking insulin, they come down to tablet, and patient who are taking tablet for diabetes, their HbA1c become normal. So they get rid of diabetes, blood pressure, osteoarthritis, and all other comorbidities are improved with bariatric surgery. Before bariatric surgery, we do pre-op workup of the patient. In pre-op workup, we do complete health, blood checkup. We do ECG, cardio, 2D echo. We do sleep studies. We do upper GI endoscopy. Basically, we do thorough, fully investigation and then optimize the patient and then take the patient for surgery. We keep the patient on liquid diet for 3 to 4 days so that the water loss is there and the liver shrinks, so which helps us in doing the surgery. So after 3 to 4 days of liquid diet, we post the patient for surgery, and after surgery on the first day we give only water, then we give clear liquid from second to fifth day, then 1 week of liquid diet and 1 week of soft diet. So after 4 weeks, patient can eat anything in a small portion. Post-op patient is there in the hospital for 3 days. After that, he has been discharged, and we do a follow-up after 10 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 2 years. And after 2 years, we do a follow-up of every year. Usually, patients lose 60 to 70% of their excess weight in sleeve gastrectomy. They lose 70 to 80% of the excess weight in Roux-en-Y gastric bypass, and they lose about 80 to 90% of excess weight in mini gastric bypass. So depending upon the type of surgery, the weight loss is there. Also, if the patient continue to do diet and exercise at the end of 2 years, then they will able to maintain the weight. But if the patient doesn't follow up, or if the patient doesn't follow the diet, then 5 to 10% of the patient can have weight regain. At KDH, we have one of the best infrastructures in terms of operation theatre. We have a modular operation theatre with all the latest camera and gadget, and the laparoscopic trolley, which is a state of art. We have all the equipment which are required for the bariatric patient. We have a specific bariatric table. We have specific anesthesia trolley. We have one of the best anesthetic team which help us to bring out the patient safely out of the anesthesia. We have a dedicated consultant from all the department, so it's a teamwork. We have a medical gastroenterologist, we have endocrinologist, we have a pulmonologist, we have a cardiac surgeon, which are full-time available in the hospital because we have a full-time system at KDH. So we have a dedicated OPD for bariatric patient, we have a dedicated ward for bariatric patient, we have a dedicated chair and beds for bariatric patient. So, and we have a proper support group meeting every 3 months. Because of all this, our results are one of the best in India. Weight loss surgery is one of the way to lose weight. First, the patient has to try diet, exercise and behavioral modification. If the patient is not able to lose weight with diet and exercise and behavioral modification, then only he should opt for bariatric surgery. Bariatric surgery is a not short-term solution. Even after bariatric surgery, you have to follow the diet and exercise. So any patient who is not ready to change their lifestyle, he or she should not go for bariatric surgery, otherwise they will end up in complication or they may have weight regain. So 100% commitment and compliance and change of lifestyle is must before going for bariatric surgery.